Hi everybody, my name is Melanie. Welcome back to my channel, Horses and Handbags. Fashion lovers, it is a special time of the year and you know exactly what I'm talking about if you are here. It is Black Friday season. So when you see all of these deals 50% off, 70% off, it can be incredibly tempting to take advantage of those. But I'm here to tell you that just because something is on sale doesn't make it a good buy. So what does? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. And I want to give you 3 different strategies so that you can take advantage of this biggest sale season of the year. So, my first strategy for Black Friday is to think about things that you already use. Black Friday is a wonderful time to get sales on things like makeup or fragrances or hair products. And oftentimes you can get them with freebies or in beautiful gift sets. One thing that I have been eyeing this year are the beautiful gift sets from Dior. They are just stunning. I'm going to go ahead and put a picture up here. But they have so many to choose from and they are so beautiful. Another thing that I wanted to bring up to you is a couple of things that I have bought for Black Friday. I enjoy using Bare Minerals foundation, and so Black Friday is the time of year when you can get it in this deluxe size. And because I waited to buy it on Black Friday, I also got it with a free lipstick and a blush as well. And this is a really pretty lipstick color. It's called Memory and it's really beautiful. So by waiting, not only did I get something that I already used, but I got it with a couple of freebies that I didn't anticipate that I actually have ended up using. And the other one that I wanted to bring up to you is my perfume, Gucci Flora. I love this perfume. It smells so good. It was actually just yesterday at work that I had 2 of my colleagues stop me and tell me, "You smell so good. What are you wearing?" Well, it was this. So I definitely encourage you to check this out. And this came in a beautiful gift set. And so not only did it have the full-size perfume, but then it also had this travel size, which I use anytime that I travel. So this was another example of something that I already use in a beautiful gift set and getting a little bit extra for my money. My second strategy for Black Friday is to think about the items that you need. So when you take a look at your closet or your wardrobe, where are the gaps? Where are the holes? What is that item that you keep thinking to yourself, I wish I had this? Black Friday is a great time to fill those gaps and holes. I'm actually wearing an item right now that I identified as a gap in my wardrobe, and it is these straight leg black trousers from Banana Republic. I love wearing these pants, especially to work. I'm going to go ahead and put a picture of them up here so you can see what they look like. I think these are usually full price, $90, and they're actually already on sale for $45. So Black Friday is a great time to fill those gaps. Another thing that I would encourage you to think about is take a look at your wardrobe and see if there are any items that have any holes or stains or tears. Do you know, I was at work this week and I saw someone at work who had a beautiful outfit on, and it truly looked wonderful on her. But in passing, I noticed that she had kind of a tear in her sleeve, and my eye was just naturally drawn to it and away from the beauty of her outfit. So if you have those items, certainly you can repair those things. But if you have some items that have holes or stains or rips and they are beyond repair, this is a great time to replace them. Strategy number 3 is the one that most people think about with Black Friday, and that is, what do you want? Now, I have already made a purchase this Black Friday from my wants category, and that is another one of these beautiful Charter Club cashmere sweaters from Macy's. I'm looking at all of them that I have. I have pink and black and brown and cream in the turtlenecks, and then this one in a crew neck. And do you know how often I'm at work and I give someone a hug, and not only do they say that I smell good, but then they tell me, "Oh, you are so soft." And that's because of these sweaters. I wear them all the time. They're so soft. They are temperature regulating. They're a great thickness. And I love these. And so last year, when I bought some of these, I really wanted a camel one. I have a lot of camel in my wardrobe, but it was unfortunately already sold out. And so this year, I saw these sweaters and I saw that the camel one was in stock, and I just watched it as it started to go down in price. And then finally, when it hit that sale mark, I went ahead and pulled the trigger on it and got it. I'll put a picture up on the screen here so that you can see the one I'm talking about. but I just saw it decreasing in that sale price. And once it hit that $40 down from 120, and the color I wanted was in stock, I went ahead and bought it. So Black Friday is also a time to have your wants in mind and to get them at a great sale price. As always, I want to thank you so much for stopping by Horses and Handbags and joining me for today's video. I hope that this video was helpful to you so that you have 3 new strategies to approach this wonderful and largest sales season of the year. I also want to mention that I think these strategies can be helpful not only for you, but for your loved ones as well. As you're gift shopping this season, you can think to yourself, what does that person use? What have they told me that they need? And what have they told me that they want? So I think this can be helpful for both you and for your loved ones. Let me know what you plan on buying this Black Friday season. I would love to hear from you in the comments. And who knows, maybe I'll do a follow-up video with what I ended up getting for Black Friday. Regardless, I have a lot of ideas and a lot of videos coming up, so please like and subscribe, and I plan to see you soon. Bye-bye.